Hello, everybody, and today we're going to be going over homework 5, which is covered in the Zybooks. I have already copied the code that you'll be receiving from Zybooks, so all that we have to do is go to the to-do list and do those tasks so that we're able to get it done. So the first task in this one is we are going to create these. I need to actually tab these over. That is a Oh wait, no. This is fine. These don't need to be tabbed over. That's my fault. So what we want to do is create a generic pet. So we want to use the pet name and pet age and then call print info. And this is basically testing, do we know how to use the class that we set up? So the first thing we want to do is type my underscore pet dot name equals pet name. We can name it literally whatever. I'll just put pet name just so we know what it is. And then my pet dot age is going to be equal to the dog's age, whatever you want to call that. And then my pet dot print info. That will then call all of that to work. And now the second to do that we need to do is we're going to create a dog pet, and then we're going to call print info. And this will also use dog name, dog age, and dog breed instead. So now we'll do my dog dot name equals dog name. My dog dot age equals dog underscore age. And then my dog dot breed is equal to dog underscore breed. And now if we do my dog dot print info, we get the correct output. And then now we're going to use my dot dog breed to output the breed of the dog. So if we want to just do the output, we're going to do print breed space comma. Actually, I don't need the space if I do the comma. That's on me. And now we're going to do my dog dot breed. Now if we shift enter, it's taking a second to think. Okay, so the first input, we're going to put Jack. Then we're going to put 4. And then we're going to do Malibu. And we're going to put 2. And we'll just put Husky. And that will give us your pet information, which will give Jack 2. And then Malibu Husky. And there we go. That is problem number 1. And now we're going to move on to problem number 2, which is the instrument one. And this to-do list is basically we're going to be defining your initial variables that help make sure that the function is running properly. So we're going to click this line and we're going to do def underscore underscore init underscore underscore self. Then we want the name, manufacturer, year built, cost, num strings, and num underscore frets. And then this will be instrument dot underscore underscore init underscore underscore self name manufacturer year built cost, and then self dot num strings equals num underscore strings, and then self dot num frets equals num frets. And then that is it for that one. So basically the initializing is going to call these variables, and then these variables are used already in the previous one. So then the only ones that we have to add on are the num strings and the num frets. And then once those are called, it works. I don't want to go through and type all the inputs, but That is the proper syntax to get the constructor with attributes. So now the last problem is putting basically everything together. So we're going to do our constructor. So def init self number title. And then this will be self.number equals number. And then self.title equals title. And then if we want to, we're going to do a function called print info. And this will be def print info self with print course information print it's going to auto do that course number self dot number. Now we're going to print course title self dot title. Then I'm going to backspace out the period. It auto puts it in collab. Little thing. And then the next thing that we want to do is do the offer courses class, and then this will be a new init constructor. So init and then self number title instructor name term class time, and then this will be course dot init self number title, and then self dot instructor name equals instructor name, and then self dot term equals term, self dot class time is equal to class underscore time. And that is all the to-dos, and there you go. That is homework number 5, the solutions. If you have any questions on homework 5, please feel free to reach out.